it just was not the representation of Kiss that I wanted to have someone to have for the first time seeing Kiss, to be honest with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little chatty story time, concert story time of the Kiss acoustic evening concert at San Manuel that I attended in, I believe, 2014. So this is, I just got this off my wall. I wanted to show you guys. This is a little pamphlet I got when I went to the concert. So if you guys are interested in this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching. So San Manuel, it was fun. This little pamphlet just has the little poster that they actually had at the casino when you were like driving up in the parking lot, and then it has a little spiel about the band inside. Now, this acoustic concert, I thought totally different things than what actually happened, like how it was all gonna play out and everything. So when this got released, the news of it, I was scrambling to figure out people to go because I knew my parents didn't want to go to another Kiss concert. This was like, I think around 2014, 15. So I was scrambling, and I got a friend of mine, and she'd never seen Kiss before, and oh my god, it was like, it just was not the representation of Kiss that I wanted to have someone to have for the first time seeing Kiss, to be honest with you. It was a good concert. Like, it was the first concert I think I've ever been to where I wasn't excited to tell my parents like about it, or was excited the next day, to be honest with you. The first things first, San Manuel, when you get into the whole thing, I thought it was like an arena or like an actual stage, kind of, but it was more of like a banquet hall, and we were all sitting. So that was like, first off, I was like, no. Only plus to that was that you could get beer in the same ballroom thing. So like, we went over, me and my friend went over and got some beer. Yeah. So we had like 2 beers, and the way that the seats were, oh my gosh, like, it was a struggle and a half to get seats, like it always is for concerts. But the thing about it was that we were like in like row X or something, so we were so far back you could barely see them. Like, we watched the concert through little projector like video things. It was the worst. I'll if I can find it, I'll put up like the chart, the seating chart. Totally is not a good representation of how it actually was. It was bad. So just letting you know, if you're going to San Manuel for a concert, don't look at the seating chart and be like, oh, okay, it's totally different than that. And second thing, when they did this, it says on even the pamphlet, it says an acoustic evening, and it says no makeup, stripped, stories and songs. They did not say any stories, which I was like, they're gonna talk and have things about the songs, you know. I was like excited about that. No. No. I will try and put maybe the set list down here, if I can find it off of like Setlist FM or whatever, because that's how I usually find the things. Okay, so this was July 23rd, 2015. Just letting you guys know that because I just noticed that on the pamphlet. Yeah, there was a lot of songs. For one, okay, I'm a huge Kiss fan, but like, these were ones I've never heard live, which was really cool. But then there are also songs that I hadn't heard in a very long time that I don't regularly listen to when it comes to Kiss. So for like my friend to be with me, and she knows I usually like sing along and like shout the lyrics back as they're singing, like any band. So it was a struggle and a half, because I forgot the lyrics of the song. I know, bad on me, whatever. I should have like looked up. I can't look up a set list because they hadn't done this since like the year previous or 2 years, but regardless. So we're sitting there, we're having a good time, we're having some beer, and what was the song? I think it was, they wanted to do Beth. Oh my gosh. So Eric Singer wanted to just stay at his drum set, and Paul, Gene, and Tommy were like, no, come on up, and like we'll get a thing, and like you can sit next to us and like sing Beth with us while we're doing the guitar. He was like, no, I don't want to go. And Paul was like, we're not gonna sing, we're not gonna go on until you sing. And also, he did do a little bit of a diss to Peter Criss at this concert, and I was like sitting there like totally back, like, oh my god, he just dissed Peter Criss, like, bad. Paul Stanley dissed Peter Criss really bad. So as he was doing it, he was like, come on up, and he was like, no, I'm just gonna sit. And then he was like, but you sing so good, like your voice doesn't crack or anything, and you sing the song so much better than like somebody else. And I was like, what the fuck? It was crazy. So I was like shocked a little bit, but then again, around this time, he had just released his book, I believe, so you know that animosity was still like alive and well. And now it's 2018 and they're all like getting along, you know, farewell tour and everything. So it was crazy. And then there was a part in the concert that I guess Paul like fucked up the chords or something, and he was like, it really was stripped down and it really was like uncensored, because he was like, I fucked it up, like he stopped playing, he was like, I fucked it up, oh, we need to restart over. And everyone was like laughing, and he was like, I'm so sorry, I played the wrong chords, oh my god, like being dramatic. Like there was like that, and then the diss with Peter, it was kind of funny. But other than that, it was just, I don't know, I think my friend was very underwhelmed about the whole thing, and the fact that we were so far back. We were like row X or something in the whole thing. Like, I don't know how many people the ballroom could fit, but it was a lot. Like, they jammed us in. And what I always hate is when you have people that sit next to you that are like so not into the concert, they don't give a fuck about the concert. It's like, why the hell did you come? Like, every time I go to a concert, it seems like I'm always sitting by people that just don't give a fuck. The Laughlin Kiss concert, didn't give a fuck next to us. The Motley Crue, Alice Cooper final tour, like, didn't give a fuck, but they were in front of us. And this one didn't give a fuck. Morongo, when I went, didn't give a fuck. It's just annoying, because it's like, why do you spend money, why do you go when someone else could have those concert tickets? So there was that, and it was just, I don't know, I think it was the fact that the seating chart was misleading, and then the fact that we had to drive like 3 hours or something to get there, and just the whole situation like wasn't really great. And also letting you guys know, when they did finish the concert, they usually come back for an encore. They did not come back for an encore. They got booed. I've never heard like a band get booed before. They got booed so much because people were like, you need to come back for an encore. No, they were like, fuck it, we're out. So yeah, so that was my very unorganized story time. It really wasn't that much, I mean, because it was songs that I haven't listened to in a long time. I mean, granted, they were not songs that weren't regularly played, but I don't know, I wish there was, maybe it's because a lot of their songs can't be acoustically played, or maybe they've just never played around with them. I don't know, but it was really underwhelming concert. I remember like the next day, when I got up, I was like, how was it? And I was like, oh yeah, it was good. She was like, you don't seem excited as you usually do when you see a concert. And I was just like, yeah, there was a lot of songs I didn't know that they were playing, and you know, all the drama and everything. So you guys like this story time, give it a thumbs up, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell down below to get notified of all my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.